When a promise is made, a promisee might take action or refrain from doing something, like smoking. Blatt versus University of Southern California tests whether a promisee can enforce a promise if the act the promisee took in reliance was doing well in law school. The Order of the Coif was a national society that recognized high scholastic achievement in law school students. Election to this society was prestigious and could allow for greater employment opportunities. Meyer Blatt was a night law student at the University of Southern California's School of Law. After Blatt entered law school, members of his school's chapter of the Order of the Coif told Blatt he'd be eligible for election to membership if he was in the top 10% of his graduating class. Blatt said he relied on these representations and worked hard to rank fourth in his class and get 7 academic excellence awards. However, Blatt wasn't elected. Blatt felt he was of good moral character and worthy of being elected. Blatt alleged that his law school dean, who was also his professor and president of the school's chapter of the order, wrote Blatt a letter after Blatt's non-election saying Blatt was the sort of student who should qualify. Blatt claimed he wasn't elected because of a policy adopted after the alleged representations about eligibility were made to Blatt. The policy restricted membership to students on the school's law review who successfully completed their assignments. Blatt had been on law review and submitted articles before the policy was adopted, but he stopped accepting law review assignments after being told the policy didn't apply to him. Blatt claimed that similarly situated students who didn't submit law review work were elected to the order, and that 7 or 8 students that ranked below him were elected. Blatt felt the university, the order, his school's chapter, and the chapter's selection committee had breached their promises and representations. Blatt thought his denial was arbitrary, discriminatory, and based on erroneous and invalid reasons. Blatt sued these parties, seeking injunctive and declaratory relief and an order directing the defendants to admit Blatt to the order. The defendants filed a general demurrer. The court sustained the demurrer and dismissed Blatt's action. Blatt appealed.